Look what I made. Look what I made. Look what I made. Okay, so I just ran and got like the last bit of ingredients for the stuff that I'm going to be refilling today. And I decided, for the last couple weeks, I've really wanted Starbucks, and I decided that I would finally get myself some Starbucks. It's been like maybe a year or two since I've had it, and usually I just get like an ice green tea, nothing really exciting, but it's really weird to be waiting in line at a drive-thru because we don't usually do that. And I don't know, to be waiting in line for my coffee feels weird. But yeah, so I'm going to, it's like, what time is it? It's like 10:55, so I'm just trying to keep my energy up because today is going to be a long day of filming. I got some of the groceries too, so I'm going to make like a couple little drinks with ginger and lemon and orange and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. I hope y'all are having a wonderful, wonderful day. Real quick, not gonna lie, the wait was worth it. I feel like I just got like some hits of serotonin or something. I get why people do this on their way to work, because I feel like this would be like the only thing that would keep me afloat if I was working a 9 to 5 right now. So yeah, there's that. Okay, I gotta go. All right, so now that the kitchen is clean, I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of list out all the ingredients that I'm gonna need for my products today and for the refills. I like to keep this large Google Doc that has everything that I've ever made, all of the measurements, and any other useful information. The refills are all things that I've made before and that I use pretty much every day in my cleaning practices. And then the new things are things that I'm going to be trying and testing out to see if they work and whatnot, and if they need any adjustments to the ingredient list. Now you're just going to see me setting up the actual film equipment, which honestly, you guys, this is the most excruciating part for me. I am not super advanced when it comes to filming, so I end up fumbling with the lighting a lot and not really knowing how I can actually get the look that I'm desiring. I was going through a major throwback vibe, so I'm going to be putting some of the songs that I was listening to on the screen if you guys want to listen along and enjoy with me. Now, the next thing that I've got to do is just really start filming. Most of these recipes that you guys are going to see today are also going to be on my website, which is www.naturallysage.com. You can go ahead and click that natural cleaning tab and enjoy. If you are interested in kind of moving towards a more natural lifestyle and taking toxins out of your cleaning, I'm telling you guys, these products are super simple, super affordable, and I mean, they're healthy. I think that is the main thing for me. I like using products that I'm making every part of it, so I know exactly what's going into it. I guess you could say it's partially because I like to be in control, and I like to be able to control the things that I can control, and this is one of those things. And honestly, I know this looks like a lot of work, and it was, but this whole day was really relaxing for me. I felt really good about what I was doing, especially because it wasn't just for me, it was for someone that I really care about. Just a friendly reminder, and I'm not saying this just for you guys, I'm also saying it out loud so I can hear it for myself, that life gets so much better when you move with purpose and when you move with intention according to what you actually want and what you actually care about. And when I say it out loud, it sounds really simple, but I spent a long time living according to what I thought other people expected from me, and living to please other people and make other people comfortable. And I realized that people's feelings about me and about what I do really don't matter, and they really don't affect me, and they shouldn't affect me. I hate the word should, by the way, because nobody can tell you, even yourself, how you should or should not feel about a situation. But in this case, I think it works. I just lived so long wanting to please other people that I was living a life that I didn't really want to live. Yeah, I mean, just got a little deep here. I wasn't expecting to go here, but all I'm saying is that when you do things that you care about and that you love, it shows yourself on the inside that you care about yourself and that you love yourself. And then you start believing like, hey, I care about myself. I love myself. And that really is a beautiful thing in and of itself. I want to inspire y'all to do things that you also love for whatever reason that may be. It can literally be that I want to. You don't have to be really deep about it. And I think one of the most difficult obstacles when you're trying to figure out what you love and what you care about is really admitting to yourself that you love and care about those things. For example, my style. I spent a long time telling myself that I didn't care about the way that I looked, and I was always going to be sporty spice, and I was never going to dress up because I just don't care and it doesn't matter to me. But really, deep down, I realized I told myself that I didn't care because I was afraid. I realized that the amount of effort that I had to put in to achieve the type of style that I was going for was too much, and that I was afraid of failure, that I was afraid I was never going to be able to get the looks off that I wanted to. Sometimes it's really hard to even admit to yourself that you care about something because you care so much that you don't want to ruin it and you don't want it to not be perfect. Okay, now we're getting into some products that I've never tried before. I'm about to make this beeswax, coconut oil, and essential oil chapstick. It ended up working out pretty well. I really like how the ingredients made my lips feel, but I'm thinking that I might have to add an emulsifier or something like that to make the application process a little bit more smooth. It gets a little bit hardened in these little containers that you're about to see. Ooh, you guys, filling up those chapstick containers is super satisfying. So, an explanation that nobody asked for, but I'm just going to go into it because I'm going to. The reason why some of the things are being filmed on the counter and some of them are being filmed here in front of the light is because that was my dog, Kane. The reason why some of them are being filmed on the counter while others are being filmed here with the light is because I am planning on starting a TikTok channel where I can kind of talk about cleaning hacks and natural DIY cleaners and stuff like that. But to be honest, I've been kind of afraid of failure again. So I haven't started it yet, but I'm working on getting all that content together, getting it edited, and getting it posted. So hopefully you guys will see me on TikTok soon. And when I actually figure out a name, I'll let y'all know. Right now, I am making this glass and mirror cleaner. It's super simple and it contains some vinegar, a little bit of rubbing alcohol, and some cornstarch. That is the secret ingredient of this mixture. The cornstarch is granulated so fine that it helps clean glass and mirrors without without scratching anything. So I don't know if that was interesting to you guys, but it sure is interesting to me. I have tons of descriptions about the products that I'm using in this video, why I'm using them, and some of the properties of the products over on my website. If you guys ever have any questions about the processes that I use or the ingredients, you can go ahead and leave a comment down below, or you can DM me on Instagram. And I am more than happy to engage with you guys and answer any questions you guys may have for me. Okay, I am going to stop talking now and let you guys watch the rest of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, y'all. I'm Naturally Sage. Look what I made. Look what I made. Look what I made.